Welcome to EasyFlow English. Today's story is about a man named Sam. Sam lives in a very small and quiet town. The town is beautiful, but it is very poor. Sam is a young man with a very big heart. He also has a very big dream. Sam wants to be a successful businessman one day. He wants to help his family and his friends. Every morning, Sam wakes up at 5 o'clock. The sun is not up yet, but Sam is ready. He drinks a cup of hot coffee. Then he starts to study. He reads books about business and money. He does not have a teacher. He does not have a computer. He learns everything by himself. His friends often laugh at him. They say, "Sam, your dreams are too big." Even they say, "Just stay here and work on the farm." But Sam only smiles at them. He says, "I want to see the world." He says, "I want to build something great." At the age of 20, Sam decides to leave. He says goodbye to his mother and father, and he moves to a very big city. The city is loud and very busy. Everything in the city is very expensive. Sam finds a tiny room to live in. It is a dark room with only one small bed. Sam needs a job immediately. He finds work at a local restaurant. He is not the chef, he is the dishwasher. He washes dirty plates for 10 hours every day. The water is hot, and his hands are always tired. But Sam does not complain. He works with a smile on his face. After his long work, he goes to the public library. The library is free and has many books. Sam sits in a corner and writes in a notebook. He writes his business plan every night. He saves every dollar from his job. He does not buy new clothes. He does not go to the cinema. He eats simple bread and soup every day. He tells himself this is only the beginning. After 1 year of hard work, Sam has some money. He decides to start his first business. He opens a small shop in a quiet street. He sells handmade wooden toys for children. Sam loves these toys very much. He works in the shop from morning until night. But in the first month, no customers come to the shop. The street is too quiet. In the second month, he sells only 2 toys. Sam is very worried. He has many bills to pay. He has to pay for the shop and his room. He goes to the street and talks to people. He shows them his wooden toys. People walk past him and do not look. Finally, Sam has no more money. He cannot pay the rent for his shop. He has to close his first business. Sam sits on the floor of the empty shop. He feels very sad and he cries. Failure feels like a cold winter storm. He feels like a loser for a few days. He thinks about his small town. He thinks about his friends who laughed at him. Maybe they were right, he thinks. But then he looks at his notebook. He remembers his big dream. He asks himself a question. Why did my business fail? He realizes he did not understand the customers. He only made toys that he liked. He did not think about what the people wanted. Sam does not give up. He decides to learn more. He gets a new job in a big marketing company. He is an assistant, so he listens to everyone. He works there for 2 years. He listens to the experts every day. He learns how to talk to customers. He learns how to sell products online. He learns about social media and advertising. Now, Sam is older and he is much wiser. He decides to start a new business. This time, he uses the internet and he starts a website to sell special coffee. The coffee comes from his small hometown. He knows the coffee is the best in the world. He uses everything he learned in the city. He writes beautiful stories about the coffee. In the first week, he gets 50 orders. Sam is very happy, but he keeps working. In the second week, he gets 200 orders. People from all over the country love his coffee. They love the story of his small town. Sam's business grows very, very fast. He moves into a big office. He hires 10 people to help him. He pays them good money. He sends money back to his family in the village. Sam is now a very successful businessman. He wears nice clothes and lives in a bright apartment, but he is still the same kind man. Success is not about luck for Sam. Success is about hard work and patience. Sam never stopped when things were difficult. He learned something from every mistake. He knows that failure is just a lesson. If you have a dream, you must protect it. Do not listen to the people who say no. Keep going even when you are tired. Keep learning every single day. Never give up on yourself. Your success is waiting for you. Believe in your path. Thank you for listening to this story. Thank you for practicing English with me. You are doing a great job. See you in the next story. Goodbye for now.